In this problem, we are told that there are 3 office assistants. If A is the event that at least 2 of them are men, and B is the event that at least 2 of them are women, are A and B mutually exclusive? Well, remember that 2 events are going to be mutually exclusive, meaning that the 2 events cannot occur at the same time. So if A is going to be the event that we have at least 2 men, B is the event that we have at least 2 women, then if we only have 3 office assistants, then these 2 events cannot both simultaneously occur. If we have 2 men, then we only have 1 woman. If we have 2 women, then we can only have 1 man. And so in this case, our 2 events, A and B, will be mutually exclusive. So the answer is yes, they are mutually exclusive.